Hey guys, welcome back to Paradise. So today we are doing some car maintenance, trying to figure out what is going on with our vehicle. So it hasn't been starting. And so today we are going to figure out if it is the battery or if it is the alternator. So our first step today is, so we're just going to do a little test here. We're going to figure out which one it is. And the easy test to do is we're going to start the vehicle and we're going to undo the positive terminal on the battery. And then if it dies, it's the alternator, because the battery really does nothing besides start the vehicle. So once the vehicle is started, once we unhook the battery, the alternator should be running everything. And if it does not keep running, then we have a bad alternator. So let's get to it. So first off, we got to remove all these bolts and fun stuff. We're in a Chevy Silverado 1500, 2015. So they got this nice bar in the front of the battery. So we're going to remove this bolt here. This is a 13 millimeter. And this bolt here, and then there's a bolt right there. That's a 13 millimeter. So we're going to remove that bar as our first step. So now that we got the bar removed, we're going to have to remove, or at least get this prepared to be removed, this lovely junk of wires that's on top of the battery. So there's a little clip on this side down here. You're going to have to flip up. And then there is another clip right there. And then a third one like right there. So you just get a flathead screwdriver and pry it up. So it'll be ready to take off. And then you're going to loosen up your positive battery terminal there. And now we're ready to start our vehicle. And then once you start it, then you can just slowly work that off completely. And we'll see what happens. Alright, so we got her started. So now we're going to see if, once we unhook the positive battery terminal, if the alternator will keep running the vehicle. The vehicle is still running on the alternator right now. As you can see, it's disconnected there. So there's your test, guys.